Yeah.
Hey Bird Buds, welcome to Birds and Beyond channel. Today we're here to kind of show you all of our birds, and we're fortunate enough that we speak multiple languages, and by we I mean him. So I'm going to be doing an English version and he's going to be doing
Urdu.
So, and then we're going to introduce you to all of our birds, but we kind of started this off as just a hobby, and because we love birds, and now it has really turned into a business, which is great because that's what all of the experts say to do, is to do something that you love, and that's what we're trying to do. So make sure that you subscribe because you're going to learn more about all of our crew. We actually have 64 birds right now, and growing, like every day we're growing. Of those we have Gouldian finches, society finches, English budgies, and canaries, and then we also have a couple of hybrid parakeet budgies that we'll talk about on another day about how that happened. So now we're going to go ahead and switch over and show you our crew. All right, so one of the things that we just recently added is a new aviary. We had taken in 19 Gouldian finches from somebody who's local, and they actually had come with an aviary, but it didn't work out as well as what we had hoped because of the space placement of what we already had versus what needed to come in. So we built our own, and then we kind of used and repurposed a lot of the components from the original aviary so that they still had a lot of what they were used to. So I'm going to kind of come in here a little bit. If you look on our channel, you'll see that most of the time we have a live stream going where you can see these guys. So right now I have canaries in here, Gouldian finches, and society finches. You'll never see any of the other birds that we have mixed in here because they don't go well. So right now it's bath time. As you can see, everybody's over there. And we actually have a nest coming in from our lady Canary. So we just have a pair in here. He's an awesome singer too. So catch his songs live anytime you want. So we're going to kind of come over here, and I have some guys hiding. There is actually a pair of budgies up in here, but they have laid some eggs, so they're hiding. If you want, I can, let me see. Yeah.
There you go.
He's a handsome guy, and here's the beautiful girl. They just laid an egg today, so we're expecting some babies in about a month after they finish laying them. And then here is our society finches. They do not like to take their baths on camera, but they're here. They're actually sitting on some of our Gouldian finch eggs too, because they do foster for us from time to time. This is Franklin, and Bianca is in, actually no, this one's not Franklin. Franklin's over here. So we have, I'm going to show you these guys. We have some babies in here. We have some really cute little guys. There are 6 English budgies, and this is Mom. Her name is Blossom. And we ended up with a surprise yellow there. This is Franklin, and this is Bianca. And they have, let's get over here, 2 little babies and 2 eggs, but this is their first clutch, so I think that we're going to just have the 2 babies, more than likely. And then we come over here. We have some more budgies, and these are 2 generations of males from one of our pairs. So, and you've also probably seen the video about Hootie. She has feather duster syndrome. So, but she's doing really well. And we're going to come over here. These are our males from another group. It's about 3 generations here. And then we have some females and males down here working things out. These are some of our canaries. We have 2 males in here that just sing amazingly. And then we can come up here. These were our little tricksters. Mama Parakeet snuck in with one of the budgie males, and we ended up with half and half budgie parakeets. So they are over here on their own, little sneaky things. We have our first lovebird. She is 2 months old. Her name is Lulu. Hi, baby. She is not tame. We're working on it slowly. But she's very pretty. She's a little sassy. Here is one of our pairs. And we actually have babies here, and they are some stunners. Hi, babies. Hi, mommies. They're very cute. And we have started to pair our Gouldians now. So we have a blue and a green paired. We've tried to do that way specifically. A blue and a green, and a blue and a green, so that their bloodline stays strong, their genetics stay strong. And then right here we actually have 3 females and 3 males, and they're really close to being paired up. We were just giving them a few more days, and then they will go ahead and be paired and given their nest boxes. And then we have a few more little budgies over here that have just paired up. We have no eggs yet, but they are brand new pairs. And let's see, can you come out? Can you come out? You hiding? Are you hiding? Who's in here? Oh, somebody. He's just hiding all the way in there. Come on. There you go. Made me start thinking I was missing somebody. So we actually have 3 pairs that are identical to this, the green and the white. And we have some babies coming on that. And then this group is Big Mama and her clutch. They just came out of the nest. Actually, there's 3, so there's always one straggler, always a last mama's baby. They're hanging out in there. So they'll come out eventually. So this is our crew. Right now, I'm going to come back over and let you see the aviary. And that's just everybody we have. So you'll see individual videos about each type of bird and what's going on, from the breeding to the pairing, and just their stages. So make sure that you subscribe and let us know which birds are your favorite, and we will try to showcase them a little bit more for you. Thank you and have a blessed day. Make sure to subscribe.